In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test audio and speakers before your Zoom meeting. Being prepared with crystal clear audio is crucial for making a good impression and ensuring smooth communication. So let's dive into how you can easily test your audio setup using Zoom's built-in features. First, you'll want to open the Zoom application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download and set it up beforehand. Once you're in the application, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll notice your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu from which you'll select the option labeled Settings. This will open a new window displaying various settings you can configure within Zoom. Next, you'll navigate towards the section labeled Audio. This is where you'll find all the options related to your speaker and microphone settings. It's crucial to ensure you're on this tab so that you can go through the testing process smoothly. Now that you're in the audio settings, we'll begin by testing the speakers, which is a straightforward step. Locate the button called Test Speaker and click on it. Once you do this, a sound will play through your speakers or headphones, depending on what you have connected. It's important to listen carefully to ensure the audio is clear and at a reasonable volume. If you can't hear anything, you may need to select a different speaker from the drop-down menu provided. Moving on, let's test the microphone. You'll see an option labeled Test Mic. Click this button and speak a few sentences in your normal speaking voice. After you stop speaking, Zoom will automatically play back what you just said. This playback feature is incredibly useful for verifying the quality of your microphone. You should be able to hear your voice clearly without distortion or unwanted background noise. If you encounter any issues with either the speaker or microphone during these tests, you can adjust your device settings directly from this audio screen. Make sure you've selected the correct input and output devices for your setup. These drop-downs will typically list all available microphones and speakers connected to your computer, making it easy to pick the right one. Once you're satisfied with the audio quality of both your speakers and microphone, you're all set. With these quick and simple steps, you've ensured that your audio setup is in tip-top shape for your upcoming Zoom meeting. This preparation allows you to focus on your conversation without worrying about technical glitches. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to test and prepare your audio for a Zoom meeting. Remember, great communication starts with great audio, so feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher.